start a new chapter, that is fraction. So we'll discuss what is fraction first. Introduction to fractions. What are fractions? You see this type of numbers: 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 4 by 7, 3 by 8. These types of numbers are called fractions. That is, there are two parts, upper parts and lower parts. Upper parts is called numerator and lower parts is called denominator. That is, if we write 3 by 8, then 3 will be numerator and 8 will be denominator. Okay, 8 will be denominator, 3 will be numerator and 8 will be denominator. That is, upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Okay. So now we see some pictures. This picture has two parts, this part and this part. Okay, this circle has two parts. So if we write, if we tell what is the value of this side, then you have to write 1 by 2. That is, since this circle has two parts, so we write 2 as denominator. 2 will be the lower portion, okay, because this picture has two parts. So 2 will be denominator, and how many parts we take? 1 parts. Okay, from 2 parts we take 1 part. So the value of this part will be 1 by 2, and also value of this part will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now we see some other pictures. This picture has 4 parts. Okay, this picture has 4 parts. This figure has 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we take 1 part, then the value of this 1 part will be 1 by the total part. Number of total part is 4, so 4 will be denominator. And how many part we take? 1 part. So 1 will be numerator. Okay, 1 will be numerator and 4 will be denominator. Denominator, that is down. You can recall this. Okay, you can memorize down or denominator. Downside, so denominator. You can memorize like this also. Okay. Okay. So the value of this 1 part is 1 by 4, because how many parts are there? 4 parts. And how many parts we take? 1 part. So value of this part will be 1 by 4. Also value of this part will be 1 by 4. Value of this part will be also 1 by 4, and this part also 1 by 4. Okay. So if we take another picture, how many parts are there? 5 parts. How many parts are there? 5 parts. If we take 1 part out of these 5 parts, then we write 1 by 5. Okay. Value of this part will be 1 by 5, and value of each part will be 1 by 5. If we take 3 part, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, total 3 part we take, then this value of this total 3 part will be 3 by 5. That is, out of 5 parts you take 3 parts, so 5 by 3. If you got 80 marks out of 100 marks, then you got 100 out of 80 out of 100. That is, 100 will be denominator and 80 will be numerator. That is, out of 100 you got 80 marks in your exam. So the teachers will write like that. Okay, 100 will be denominator and 80 will be numerator. Okay. Now types of fractions. That is, how many types in fraction are? Okay. So there are 3 main parts, the main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. There are 3 main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper, and mixed fractions. So we start with proper fractions. So in proper fraction, which are proper fractions? 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 70 by 91. Okay, these are proper fractions. That is, numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, then this type of fraction will be called proper fractions. You got all times, in all the times you got like out of 100 you got 79, or you got 85, or you got 92, or you got 93, okay, by 100. And this type of numbers you got, okay. Out of 100 you got 93. Out of 100 you cannot get 1 by 101. Okay, out of 100 you cannot get 101. That is improper, and these are proper fractions you call. Okay, you can say this is proper fractions. Denominator is greater than numerator. Okay, out of 100 you cannot get 101 marks. That is, this is improper. Then this part will be improper fraction, and these fractions will be proper fractions. That is, out of 100 you got 93, this is proper fractions. Out of 100 you got 92, this is also proper fractions. And if you cannot get out of 100 101 out of 100, that is, you cannot exceed your full marks. Okay, out of 100 you cannot get 105. That is, out of 100 you cannot get 105. That is, this is improper. So these fractions called improper fractions. Or like that, 10, 12, 5, 7. These are improper fractions because here denominator is less than numerator. Okay, denominator is less than numerator, so this is improper fractions. And in proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, in proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator, and in improper fractions, numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is 12 and denominator is 10. Here numerator is 7 and denominator is 5. Okay, and 5 is less than 7. So this is improper fraction. Okay, so in improper fraction we see that numerator is greater than numerator, like this. Okay, here denominator is 21 and numerator is 16. That is, so here you can say in improper fractions numerator is greater than denominator. That is, 21 here numerator and denominator is 16. Okay, and 21 is greater than 16. So this is improper fractions. And what is mixed fractions? Mixed fraction means like this. Okay, 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, 3, 5 by 7. These types of numbers or this type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Okay, this type of fractions you can if we take 10, this is also mixed fractions. Okay, this is our examples of mixed fractions. That is just mixture, you can say. Okay, now we write improper fractions to mixed fraction. How to write improper to mixed fractions? 10 by 3 is improper fractions. Now we have to write this in mixed fractions. So we divide, okay, by 3. So we divide 10 by 3. So okay, so here remainder is 1 and quotient is 3. So we can write 10 by 3 equal to 3, and denominator will be denominator and remainder will be the upper portion. Okay, denominator will be denominator and quotient will be this position and remainder will be in this position. Okay, numerator will be remainder. Okay, now if we take these improper fractions 15 by 4, we have to write this in mixed fractions. So we divide, okay, by 4. So 3 will be quotient 3. So here remainder is 3 and quotient is 3, and so 15 by 4 will be 3. Denominator remains same. Okay, and this. Okay, now we write mixed fractions to improper fractions. How to write? We take an mixed fractions. Okay, 1 and here is 2, here is 3. This is a mixed fractions. So we have to write this in improper fractions. So the rule is denominator will be denominator. Denominator remains same, and 3 multiply with 1 and then adding with 2. 1 into 3 plus 2. That is, we have to multiply 3 with this number and add with this number, the upper number. Okay, so 1 into 3 plus 2. What will be the number? We add with this number. So 1 into 3 plus 2. So 1 into 3 means 3. 3 plus 2 means 5 by 3. This will be the improper fractions. If we take another example, 2. Okay, this is also a mixed fractions. So we have to multiply with this number. Okay, 2 into 7 and add with this number plus 5, and denominator remain same. So 2 into 7 means 14 plus 5 by 7, that is 19 by 7. This will be the improper fractions. Okay, today this much.